Today we're going to be moving that rear trim on my 86 C4. As you can see, this thing is toast. It's totally gone. So we ordered a kit from, I think this was eBay. Yeah, this is an eBay kit here. I'm going to show you an item, a picture on the screenshot. We get started by tearing this whole thing out. You can just look at that, just falls apart. This has definitely been on here since way before I got this car. Probably since 1986. Sun damage, heat damage, it's gone. So I cut it all off here, as you can see. This car is 40 years old now, so this is all the original hardware, but I'm seeing something here and I'm not sure what this is. I think this may be the sunshade here. I don't know what this is here. What is this? I think this might be the sunshade. I can't believe it. Yeah, man. I've had this car all the time, and I think this is the freaking sunshade in here. What is this? Trying to figure out what it is. What this is right here. It's like a lip on it. Okay, here's a little helpful information. I wish I would have knew before I started taking this off. To get this piece over here on the side off, you're gonna have to take this off, the hatch shock. It's attached to here, right? Take that clip, pull that off, and then right under here, the screw for this piece is under that. So I'm going to show you what we got to do over here. You got to come inside of the car. Come inside of the car, right? To that light, corner light, which is the one on the side like that. You have one on each side. Take the corner light, you pop that light socket out, push it through the inside, pull the light socket out, put it on top of something, and that screw right there is the screw you need to take off to get that piece off. That screw right there, where my finger is. That's it. To get that piece off, you gotta take that off. If you don't take that off, it's gonna break probably don't care if the old one breaks, but to put the new one on, you got to take that off. You screw hold the back of the clip. It won't fall back under there. There. Now, there's the clip, there's the screw. You gotta need that clip, so don't lose it. Slide it over, push it in, center it. this last piece on. Check it out first. Here we are with the last center piece. Brand spanking new, right out of the trenches. A couple things I want to see. This may need to overlap on the sides. See, there's an overlap here. So I may need to loosen the sides to get the sound. Let's inspect it. Oh yeah, look at that, man. Way better than that beat up crack one I had on there. I don't know what that is. Sweet. That's killer, man. Killer. Let's see here. So it's gonna go on like this. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take the sides off, looks like, to get it on. This is gonna delay some of the time. You see they don't go on without the sides being on first. So it looks like they overlap. So yeah, we gotta take the side, loosen the sides off. Get this baby on. So make sure it overlaps the center piece. And on this, there we go. All we need to do is align everything up here and bolt her down. I may later replace these screws with something new hardware. Till then, there we go. She's good. That's how you place the center and side panels for your rear hatch. On these C4s, I think they had them through 94 or the same, not sure. Either way, that's how you do it. Boom, bam, there you go.